marry Hausa girl, oh, Aisha. And Yoruba fi marry Igbo girl, oh, na Aisha. Hausa fi marry Igbo girl, ODOGWU and Aisha. Aisha my Aisha this love is the sweetest.
Mom. Good morning. Please, can you stand up, please? Stand up now, my mom, please. Let me hold this thing for you. Let me hold it for you now.
Why you shut on my ear on this morning? You woke me up with a shut on my ear.
I want this thing out of my house. What do you call it again? I said I want this thing out of my house. Please.
You say what?
I want this baby out of my house.
You want me to leave your house?
I want this thing out of my house. Please.
You mean Candy?
Who is Candy? Who is Candy? Who is Candy? Since you bought this thing, this is the 7th day since you bought it. At night, you don't cuddle me again. It's just this thing that you not cuddle. At night, you don't touch me again. You just hold this thing from morning till night. From morning till night. You don't even notice me again. What is this thing? Is this thing your idol? Is this thing your husband? I will burn this thing. Throw this thing away from my house. I don't want it in my house again.
ODOGWU, why are you shouting? Are you telling me that you are jealous of Candy, a teddy bear? Mahaluki. You are jealous of Mahaluki.
I don't want it in my house again.
Something mother, she does not open mouth to talk. She does not do anything.
He does not open mouth to talk. But the other day, I saw you talking with this thing. Talking to it. They say, my baby, hope you can hear me. But doesn't talk.
I'm just telling my heart to this because she listens. Kuma, she's motivated. She's motivating me. She's here.
Hey, Jesus Christ.
She's here. My mind. She's look me in the eyes. She's point. The eyes. She look me. I like the attention that she's gave me.
How can this thing be more understanding than I am? So this thing now is more motivating than I am. I don't want this thing in my house.
When I tell you to shut up, it shuts up. But if I tell you to shut up, you don't shut up.
My tamam, this thing will cause trouble between us. That is the way anything you girls will get. You will give that more attention than your husband. You will get phone. You will place phone. You will place phone from morning till night. Anything, your husband will come back from work. You will not even say welcome. You will be on the phone, bless it. Now he's just baby. I've been catching cold since you bought this thing. You cannot hold me. You're holding this thing.
But there is a blanket. You can cover yourself with a blanket. You just like to talk. You like to shout. I don't know why men they think if by shouting they pass message on passing ear. You shout.
This thing must leave my house. Aisha, this thing must. Aisha, throw this thing away.
Don't.
Give me that thing.
Leave me alone.
Aisha, give me that thing.
Leave me alone. Bye.
Aisha, I must burn this thing.
You will never.
I must burn this, Aisha.
You will never.
I will not marry you.
You will never burn it.
I will not. You see what I will do to you. You see what I will do to you.
Look at this man. You are jealous of Candy. So that is why when I get back to children, she shall be jealous of the children. Because my attention is going to be divided on my children. But why she's my jealous of Candy? She's act like she don't have sense. Why is it that men they are very jealous? When you just want to take your away. Every time I have been with him. Every time, year in, year out, when come, sunshine come, I am with him. Just because I bought something that she's Nepa. Just because I brought something mad that she's just giving me some more time. She's now angry.